Welcome back to the channel, coin lovers. Today we're going to explore the most valuable commemorative quarter-dollar coins ever released in the United States. While most quarters are worth just 25 cents, some of these special commemorative issues are now worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars because of their rarity, condition, and collector demand. Let's dive into their history and values. Let's get started. First up, the quarter-dollar series has always held a special place in American coin collecting, but the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter stands out as one of the most iconic. Its incredible design, its role in launching the U.S. State Quarters program, and its growing demand in today's action market have made it a coin that every collector wants in their collection. The Connecticut Quarter was released in 1999 as part of the first set of state quarters, honoring Connecticut's admission to the Union in 1788. This coin quickly became more than just pocket change. It became a piece of history. With its striking imagery and historical symbolism, it has captured the hearts of collectors since the moment it was struck. One of the unique features of the Connecticut State Quarter is its design. The reverse side showcases the famous charter oak, an extraordinary tree that became a symbol of American independence and resistance. According to legend, the Connecticut Charter was hidden in the hollow of this massive oak tree to keep it safe from British authorities. This story transformed the tree into an enduring emblem of freedom, and its engraving on the coin makes it one of the most beloved designs in the entire series. The obverse of the coin carries the familiar portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan, but it was slightly modified for the State Quarters program. The inscription includes United States of America, quarter dollar, liberty, and in God we trust, along with the important P mint mark, identifying it as a product of the Philadelphia Mint. The 1999 Connecticut Quarter is special not only because of its design, but also because it represents the very first year of the State Quarters program. Collectors worldwide scrambled to collect these coins when they were released, and their popularity has never slowed down. Being one of the earliest state quarters, the Connecticut design holds a foundational place in the series and continues to command attention. While millions were produced, coins in excellent condition are far rarer than one might think. Most Connecticut quarters from 1999 entered circulation and show heavy wear, but finding one that still maintains sharp details, strong luster, and a clear strike is a true prize for collectors. This makes the coin highly desirable in the modern market. Condition is a driving factor in value, and in excellent condition, 1999 Connecticut Quarter is far more than just face value. Collectors are willing to pay impressive premiums for coins that retain their visual beauty and historical integrity. Every detail of the charter oak stands out crisply on coins in this state, making them both valuable and stunning to display. In today's action market, demand for the 1999 Connecticut Quarter continues to climb. Collectors who are completing full 50-state quarter sets need this coin, and because of its popularity and condition-based scarcity, its dollar value keeps growing. This is why it has become one of the standout coins from the entire series. The coin's symbolism adds another layer to its appeal. The charter oak design is not just visually attractive, but also historically meaningful, tying together American independence, Connecticut's heritage, and the birth of a coin series that defined a generation of collectors. This depth of meaning ensures the coin will never go out of style in numismatic circles. In terms of rarity, excellent condition examples are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Most were used in everyday commerce, meaning only a fraction of the original mintage remains collectible. This scarcity is fueling high demand and ensuring that prices continue to reflect the coin's true numismatic worth. The current market value of the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter in excellent condition is significantly higher than its face value. Depending on grade and presentation, values can range into strong collector premiums, and the most pristine examples command especially high prices at auctions and through private sales. For investors in coins, the 1999 Connecticut Quarter represents both history and opportunity. It is a modern coin that is already proving itself as a valuable piece, making it not just a collectible, but also a smart choice for those who see coins as assets with long-term growth potential. Collectors who wish to maximize the value of their 1999 Connecticut quarters should store them carefully in protective holders. Preserving the sharpness of the design and preventing any further wear ensures that the coin's value remains strong and continues to grow. Another useful tip is to keep an eye on auction listings and specialized coin dealers. Because the Connecticut quarter is in such high demand, prices can fluctuate quickly. Smart collectors stay informed, which helps them both secure valuable coins and make wise investment choices. Every coin has a story, but the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter tells a story that connects American independence, state pride, and the beginning of a legendary coin program. Its artistry, its symbolism, and its rarity in excellent condition make it a true star among modern U.S. coinage. In conclusion, the 1999 Connecticut Quarter is far more than a simple piece of currency. It is a masterpiece of design, a treasure of history, and a coin with powerful collector demand. In excellent condition, it commands strong value in today's market and continues to grow in prestige. For collectors and investors alike, this is one coin that truly shines as both a historical gem and a financial opportunity. Next up, when it comes to modern American coinage, few coins hold the charm and cultural significance of the 2000 South Carolina State Quarter. Released as part of the iconic 50 State Quarters program, this coin carries with it not just face value, but an incredible story of history, pride, and collector demand that continues to grow stronger every year. The South Carolina Quarter was issued in the year 2000 to commemorate the Palmetto State, the 8th state to join the Union back in 1788. Its release was highly anticipated, as it was among the early issues of the 50 State Quarters program, which became one of the most successful coin campaigns in U.S. history. Collectors rushed to obtain these coins, and today, they remain highly desirable. The reverse design of the South Carolina Quarter is packed with rich symbolism. At the center stands the palmetto tree, the state's official tree and a proud emblem of South Carolina's role in the Revolutionary War. Alongside the palmetto, the coin features the Carolina wren, the state bird, and the yellow jessamine, the state flower. Together, these elements create a visual masterpiece that represents the natural beauty and heritage of South Carolina. Adding further depth, the coin also includes an outline of the state itself with a star marking the capital, Columbia. This made the design both artistic and informative, reminding everyone who holds the coin of the importance of South Carolina's place in American history and geography. It is this kind of detail that makes commemorative coins so special for collectors and history enthusiasts alike. On the obverse, the coin retains the timeless portrait of George Washington by John Flanagan, slightly refined for the State Quarters series. The inscriptions include United States of America, Quarter Dollar, Liberty, and In God We Trust, along with the critical P mint mark that shows it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint in the year 2000. While millions were struck, the rarity of the 2000 South Carolina Quarter in very fine condition cannot be overstated. The vast majority of these coins entered everyday circulation, enduring scratches, nicks, and heavy wear. Very fine condition coins, however, retain sharp design details and present much more beauty than average circulated examples, making them highly collectible. This condition-based rarity is a major factor driving the value of this coin in today's action market. Collectors want coins that tell their historical story clearly, and the sharper the detail, the stronger the demand. A South Carolina quarter in very fine condition represents the perfect balance of historical authenticity and preserved quality. The demand for the South Carolina quarter continues to grow because it is part of the legendary 50 State Quarters collection, which many collectors strive to complete. Being one of the earliest state quarters issued, it holds a special place in the sequence, making it an essential piece for any serious collection. In today's market, the 2000 South Carolina quarter in very fine condition commands strong premiums over face value. While common worn examples may trade for little more than 25 cents, coins in higher grades are consistently selling for dollars, and the best preserved pieces are fetching even more impressive amounts, especially in auctions and private sales. The real power of this coin is its dual value as both a historical artifact and a financial opportunity. Collectors are not only drawn to its beauty and symbolism, but also to its potential for continued growth and value. As time passes, fewer coins remain in very fine condition or better, ensuring continued rarity and demand. For coin collectors, This is a golden opportunity to hold onto a piece that celebrates South Carolina's identity while also acting as an investment in numismatic history. The South Carolina quarter has proven that even modern coins can achieve significant collector interest and appreciation in the marketplace. Tips for collectors include storing your 2000 South Carolina quarter in a protective holder to maintain its very fine condition. Exposure to the elements or further handling can reduce its sharpness, and preserving its current state is essential for keeping its market value high. Another tip is to watch coin shows, online auctions, and dealer inventories for strong examples of this coin. While it may seem common at first glance, finding one in true very fine condition with bold details and strong eye appeal is rarer than many realize. Collectors should also recognize the importance of assembling a complete early state set from the 1999 and 2000 issues. These coins launched the 50-state quarters program and are always in demand. The South Carolina quarter, with its layered design and historical significance, stands out as a highlight of this group. Every coin tells a story, and the 2000 South Carolina quarter tells one of heritage, pride, and artistry. It reflects not just the story of a state, but also the larger American story of freedom, identity, and beauty captured in metal for future generations. In conclusion, the 2000 South Carolina State Quarter in very fine condition is more than just a piece of pocket change. It is a rare treasure with historical significance, unique design, and undeniable collector appeal. In today's action market, it commands strong dollar value, and its demand is only rising. For collectors and investors alike, this coin is a must-have, a timeless reminder that modern commemorative quarters can hold incredible value both in history and in wealth.